Okay, so welcome back. Now we're going to do an example of taking the average of 6 measurements. So let's say these are the measurements that we're taking, and we've got 6 of them, and we want to take the average of these measurements. So what we're going to do is we're going to add these measurements up and then divide by the number of measurements that we took, which is 6. So let's add these up. Okay, so I'm going to add them up. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then we've got 3. So 6 times 3 is 18. So this is going to be 7.8. And then we've got 7s all the way down. So that's going to be 6 times 7, which is 42. So this is going to turn into 8.22. And then we've got 5 and 10 and 9. So we got 19. So that's going to turn into 33.9, right? So 5, 6, 7, 8, 12, 14, 19, right? And so then we've got 1, 9, 15, 24, 28. So this is going to go to 1, and this is going to go to 4. And so if we add those up, we get 8.2418. And now we're going to take this sum and we're going to divide by 6. So now we're going to do 8.2418 divided by 6. And so now we're just going to go through and we'll go out to 4 decimal places. We'll round to 4 decimal places. So we're going to go out to 5 and then we'll round to 4. So 6 goes in 8 one time, and so that's going to give us 6. And again, I'm going to bring up the decimal point, okay? And so now I'm going to subtract, which I get 2, and then I'm going to drop down the 2. 6 goes into 22 3 times, so that'll give me 18 here, and I subtract, and I'm going to get a 4. And then I'm going to drop down the 4. And then 6 goes into 44 7 times. 6 times 7 is 42. I'm going to subtract and I get 2. And then I'm going to drop down the 1. And 6 goes into 21 3 times. And then again I'm going to get 18. I'm going to subtract, and that's going to give me 3. And I'm going to drop down the 8. And so the 6 goes into 38. 6 times. So 6 times 6 is 36. And then I'm going to get 2. And then I'm going to drop down the 0. And now I'm going to get a 3, right? So 6 goes into 23 times, and I'm going to get another 18. And this is where it's going to start to repeat itself. Okay, which is fine because I said we're going to round to 4 decimal places. So now I'm rounding to 4 decimal places. The 3 is less than 4. So that means it's going to be rounded to approximately 1.3736 is the average. And that's how you do it. Have a great day.